Divine here. This is my before and after process of me moving in and decorating my space. As you can see, the walls are yellow, but that wasn't the problem. The problem was the walls were mad peeled, like chipped, because the last babe that lived here, she had pulled off all the sticky things that she had placed on the walls, and it had ruined the walls. So the landlord gave me permission to paint them white. So yeah, like that's why there's white patches on the wall, because I had started painting. I decided to cover these matted carpets with temporary floor tiles, and in the tutorial they said put paper down, then stick them on. So that's what we were doing, but it was shifting bare, like, oh my gosh. So eventually we just gave up, like not gave up, but we had to go eat, you know what I mean? Trial and error. We decided to test it out without the paper on the ground. So we're gonna see if it sticks better than having it stuck to paper, in it.
So happy about
that.
It's
a success. Manuela was right. So after we had done the floors, which we did so well, by the way, Emanuela took a break and I went to use my pad brush. I learned from this YouTuber, Annabelle Gaio, she used to be called Cat Creature. Rollers suck up so much paint, so it's more efficient for you to use a pad brush. Never heard of one, but it's very good. Like, I do recommend. Yeah. Oh, and my brother helped me, and so did my god brother. Excuse the drippy fit, don't be jealous. Next segment is furniture, now that the room is painted. But before we get to that segment, let's enjoy an ad break, aka a montage of my life right before I did all that furniture stuff.
Up, hey, up, look. Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stuck up, shack height, fury on me, flashlight. I've been listening last night. Hit him with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Big bag, bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, Balenciaga, party back, and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags, bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, working back, party back, and know you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party hot. I can make your body rock. Bitches say they fucking with me. Chances are they probably not. If I had a...
Here's I got a milkshake. That's lemonade, right?
From tea.
Okay.
I'm not a vlogger like you.
It's alright, babe. It's alright, babe. You'll pick it up. You'll pick it up soon.
I ain't got skills
You know?
like you, man. I can't
Honestly,
do it.
I'll teach you, babe. Teach you.
Here's my young G. T to the O to the S-I-N. T dot. T dot. Yeah. Say it's T dot. From the streets of Hackney. Mine's from Harlem. Mine's out here from Harlem. Very close to me. Don't worry. I'm worried.
We are at Central Park. Say hi, Tosin. Hi, no, my name is.
Wait, I should have my beverage.
She's drinking rum and Red Bull. Wow. I think I'll be posting it in the next 2 weeks, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe. Wow, that was mad corny. So my first piece of furniture was a clothing rack that I forgot to record, but here are some progress pictures. Yeah.
That's what it's called.
Where is it?
It's here.
Don't see the instructions. What? I've got a screwdriver though.
It's the same bed, right? Even a piece of
Thanks for helping me, guys.
Sergeant, stand down. I was really dreading putting the bed together, but you know, it wasn't too bad. I got a bed that's like a platform bed, so it has space underneath to put stuff underneath. But I'm not gonna lie, now that I've been sleeping on this bed for I don't know how many months, I don't recommend it. The bars, bro, like 2 of them, they keep falling down. So it's a thing of the bed is very shaky. And then, oh my gosh, this lighting fixture thing, these like lights that I have, oh gosh, they were really eating, but then they broke last month, so yeah, like never mind, innit? My mum didn't like the way my bed was just proper exposed at the bottom, so she sewed this thing to make it look more elegant, because she wants me to be more feminine with my presenting. Sounds like I'm complaining, but I do appreciate it. Challen, this TikToker I've been following for like 2 years, she made a TikTok about this like desk thing, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need one. The one she has, they only sell it in America. I found another one. It's not big enough to go over my bed, even though my bed is just a double. So I had to get like a stationary table, and it's so big, like. And then I got rug. And I mainly got all these things because I was like, oh, my friends are coming over to stay over. I want the place to look more filled, because at the time I only had the clothing rack and my bed. So the room was looking very empty. But yeah, like I put the table together. I got help from my godbrother. And yeah, that's what it looks like. The table at the end of my bed, it really fills up the space nicely. Here's a house that we built for my housemate's gerbil, and yeah, she uses it all the time, even though she's like gnawing away at it. I'm sure she loves it, you know what I mean? It keeps her entertained. There she is, just in her little pit. At this point, my rug had arrived from eBay. I wanted the rug to be underneath the clothing rack, so I was taking the clothing rack apart and stuff like that. Because I'm not gonna lie, during the whole painting process, it kind of fucked up the floors, innit? Because I got help from my brother and my godbrother, and these men were not elegant with the way they were stepping at all. So it kind of messed up the flooring around the, like in that corner. So the rug was a great addition to just cover up that mess. And it really like sections off the room. It makes the room look bigger, and I really love that. I feel like a real interior designer, like, you know what I mean?
What?
Aww, that's so nice of you.
Chill, man.
So this is the after. With the rug, it's looking sick. It looks like I got my whole life together. Let's not lie. Your driver could be LGBTQ. Your money could be LGBTQ. Your money could be LGBTQ. Yeah.
I've been a throw up the sex in a
After the sleepover, I felt like my balls were bare. So I was like, you know what? Let me get art. Let me be one of those babes. I found this artist on TikTok. Amazing art. And I've spent £50 on 2 items. Very cute. I wish I'd gotten the A2s, but the A2s were sold out, so I just settled for the A3s. I got this one, and then I got the Zendaya one, which I thought was amazing. And I love this artist because there's 2 different sides. Like, it's a double-sided poster, so you can have on one side it's like the full picture, and then the other side is close up. Then I saw this home renovation tactic to make your house look nicer, more pretty, more elegant. I'm thinking, yeah, like, I'm just gonna get this sellotape and put it on my walls, bro. I'm not realizing I don't actually have the space for that. Like, this thing is mad wide. So I put it all up, and I realized this thing is not even fitting well. It's not cute. Let me take it down. It rips my wall. Okay, when am I gonna redo it? I don't know, but it's not anytime soon. Mirror wise, I've been relying on this small circle to figure out how to get ready, how to look nice. And I'm not gonna lie, it was a cute error. Yeah, but obviously I had to level up. What the hell? So I got a very big mirror. I think it's 5'10", because I don't see the point of getting a mirror that's obviously shorter than me, because I'm 5'9" in a real life. The mirror is good, it's nice. It came chipped though, like on the corner of the wooden outline. So because it's black and I have that black tape that obviously ripped my wall, I was able to just rip off apart a little section and just tape it up.
My room.
So overall, it was a long process, but for what the before was to what it is now, I feel like it was worth it, for sure.
I'm like, can I step in? No, I don't.